So this has been my project for the last year or so. I've put the 2JZ in it. It's just on 900 horsepower on ethanol E85. I've run a Link Fury G4, and it's got the 351050 turbo. It was running the R series gearbox through it, and obviously that didn't last long. I've got the Evo brakes on the front. Everything's done by myself, so none of this is I've paid anyone else to do. And yeah, I did my own rear disc conversion with a drum brake, handbrake setup. I'll just give you a quick look underneath, just so everyone can see that it is a zf8hp76. So there's the gearbox code. And that's using the factory thermostat that comes with these on the side, and put 10 fittings on there to run up to the oil cooler. It's using a adamat gearbox adapter, which fits perfectly. Comes with the flow and everything. No need to modify or tap holes, drill holes or anything. It all just bolts up perfectly like a factory setup. And then this is my adapter that we've designed, rear-wheel drive adapter, made our own one. It fits in there nicely. I've made these laser cut mounts so you can just trim it, cut this off, weld the plate here, or you don't have to use all these bolts if you don't want to, because this is just a bit overkill. It just gives you more options for different pickups, for different cars, any project. And yeah, I've got the slip joint there, a 2-piece drive shaft, the hilux diff, that's 3.58. Yeah, so that's all good. No play in it, looks solid. Others are, I've heard of other ones with slop in them and that. This is, she's tight, nice tight fit. No vibrations, and I'm just using an S chassis hard race gearbox mount. Seems to work. I've used it on my G-force. The actual G-force holes are pretty much bang on the same on those 4 speeds. But yeah, it's got the alloy factory sump. But yeah. Anyway, back to show you it all working. Get out underneath here. I've still got my clutch pedal, but I've blanked it off. I'm using a IS 350 steering wheel. It all fits the splines. Everything's the same. The airbag works with the hilux, so that's all working. And then you just obviously pick up the wires through the clock spring. Use the later model clock spring, hilux clock spring, and so everything's running through that. And then obviously to the cantcu, which are wired under here. I can show you. I'll just pull this off. Yeah, so I've mounted it down there. There's a good little spot for it, so then you can, so I 3D printed that cover there, and then it covers up the gear stick hole, and then TPU 3D printed this grommet for the loom to come up. That just goes down the gearbox. And then I have mounted the OBD2 plug down here next to the factory one. So you got one for the ute and one for the gearbox. Yeah, so that's all that. And then obviously made 3D printed a mount for my shifter. Done that, made all my own loom. everything. Yeah, it fits in quite well on this. And then yeah, I'll start it up and I'll show you with it all running. So I'll get this back in. There we go. So road tested this yet, I've only just got this going. So yeah, got reverse camera going. Yeah, I've got reverse. So yeah, everything's working. I'm using obviously link ECU. Also just a few little things, or the blips and all that. We've got to settle that up still because I've only just got this going. But yeah, other than that, it's all working. cantcu, and I use zf8hp to they unlock the mobiliser. Even though on this it will still say locked, but it still works. So yeah, there you have it. 8hp76 unlock working with cantcu.